Good morning, I am here. Hey, let me ask you, what's easier to do? Save 1.2 to 2.4 million dollars and invest it and get 5% monthly income or return on your money, or simply sponsor somebody, teach them what you're doing to go help sponsor somebody else. So everybody's sponsoring and teaching, helping everybody create residual passive cash flow from the get-go, and all you're doing is simply sharing something you're personally benefiting from. That can be the physical products, or that can be just simply sharing the system allows you to own more of your life, the Own Your Life system. Like I said, if you'd like to learn more about all this stuff and you don't want to read the ebook I'm going to add in the description, hey, simply subscribe to my channel, hit the notification, follow along, and you can take the tidbits I'm sharing with you and learn more. Or if you want to go through the first 2 steps and actually educate yourself on the Own Your Life system and the amazing industry that allows you to own more of your life, which 90% of the population should be involved with, because you can't fail. You can only fail if you quit. Alright, so create more time, money, and health by subscribing to my channel, reading the ebook and going through the first 2 steps, and the 3rd step is free to get started. You really have nothing to lose. All you're going to do is create more time, money, and health for yourself by actually following the system. And with the physical products, you're going to enhance your life and enhance your health. So you're doing yourself a disservice if you don't get involved. Because like I said, at 5% interest, you'll get $5,000 a month if you invest $1.2 million. 2.4% at 5% a month will get you $10,000 a month. Now, and simply following the system and sharing what you're personally benefiting from, in 1 to 3 years you can create that same income. The money's going to spend the same way. But just ask yourself what's easier to do. Saving $1.2 to $2.4 million and investing it and hoping to get those returns continuously, or just sharing something you're personally benefiting from. Sounds a little bit easier, a little bit more fun. Now I will say this, it is simple. It is not easy. I've been following the system for a year now, and I probably got the equivalent of $24,000 invested at 4% in my monthly residual. But still, in a year, well, I paid off more than $24,000 in debt because I'm smart, but it was easier for me to simply share and help a couple other people share what I'm personally benefiting from, what they're personally benefiting from, and helping them get more out of life, which in turn is helping me. So this is the simplicity of this business system. You make a friend, you meet their friends. That's the whole business model simplified. Can't think of anything more simpler or fun. No. So again, the link will be in the description to go through the first 2 steps of the 3-step system. Subscribe, follow along, let me know in the comments what you're doing to create more time, money, and health in your life. Hey, I might join you in your journey, or you can join me on mine. Hey, either way, it's a helping relationship, so let's help one another. Y'all be great.